Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video we are going to see how you can organize your elements or assets for your projects in Canva. So let's get started with this video, and if you want to see the complete training playlist of Canva, you can check out the description. Alright, let's get started. In this video we are going to talk about the elements that you need frequently, and you want to save it as your favorites to save you time when creating your next project. So what we can do is find some of the elements here. We will go with not the animated ones but the fixed ones. For example, this is the image that I like. Let's remove this option. For example, a heart. So these are the static images. For example, I like this one. So if you want to add it as favorites, you can just click on these three dots and you have the star option here. So next time, whenever you are creating any of your designs, for example, this is my new template, I can easily use that template, which I have starred. You just need to go to more and click on folders, and here is starred option, and you will find all the designs here, what you have saved. But let's say if I am using an element that is animated, for example, this one. And if I want to add this to our favorites, I can click on these three dots, but here I will not find the star option or marking as favorite options. What we can do in this case is we can just collect some animated images that we like, and then we can paste it all in a single project and define them with the text if we like. For example, this is subscribe fixed, so we have the star option, but if some of them are animated, for example this one, we won't be able to find this option to star it or mark it as favorite. In that case, you can just add it to your single project and keep it here. You can add as many pages as you want, because it will save you a lot of time to find the assets. So here you can easily create the collection of all the assets that you want to use frequently in all your designs. Take a day or two to make that collection. And then, for example, anytime you want to use this in your designs, it was untitled design. Let's name it my assets for projects. So now if I want to use in, let's say, this project, on the other tab I can open and keep this elements page open, and whatever I want to use is just I can copy this here and I can paste it right here. So this will save you a lot of time to save all the frequently used elements that you use frequently in nearly all of your designs. So just spend some time and save your most frequently used designs in a single page like this, and whenever you are designing any post, you can just keep it open on the separate tab and copy and paste it to place it right here. So just copy and paste like this, and you have all the animated templates with you. Alright, this is the little technique on how you can manage not only the favorites of the static images and shapes, but all the animated elements as well. So that's it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.